Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I have this shampoo from Moroccanoil. So I'm gonna have a shower, I'm gonna try it out, and I'm gonna tell you about my experience with this shampoo. So let's go for it. Wow, so basically I just had a shower, guys, and I'm not gonna lie to you, this was not a paid promotion. This is because I really like this brand and I really bought the product. So this is my honest opinion about it, okay? I use the whole line, which is the hydration shampoo, and then I apply the conditioner, and then I apply the mask, okay? So basically, because I'm using all these three ingredients from Moroccanoil, I believe that really works. Like, I can definitely see my hair hydrated and softer, like silk. Like, I'm not kidding. I'm not joking right now. So, okay, I guess these products are premium products, so they are not costing you like another cheaper products. But to be honest, I'm impressed with the results. Like, for me personally, it's difficult to be impressed. So just to see how hair feels with the hands touching it and everything, I think it's worth it. So definitely I will advise you to buy this product because it actually works. Wow. Damn, love it. Thank you so much for watching, guys.